In this session, we will discuss about files. What is files? And topics to be covered are introduction, file handling in C using file pointers, opening a file, close a file, input output using file pointers, character input output, string input output, formatted input output functions, sequential versus random access files, positioning a file pointer. What is file? A file is a collection of related data that computer treats as a single unit. So when a computer reads a file, it copies the file from the storage device to memory. So when it writes to a file, it transfers the data from memory to the storage device. C uses a structure called file defined in the header file, that is stdio.h, to store the attributes of a file. The steps to processing a file: first we need to create the stream via pointer variable with the file structure. Here I have used file structure. In the capital letter it will written like file, and star p is the stream of a pointer. Next, open the file associated with the stream name, whether I want to use the file for reading purpose, for writing purpose, or for reading and writing purposes. Then is read or write the data, and the next step is close the file. So to summarize about these steps, I'll say like that: to access any file, we need to declare a pointer to file structure, then associate it with the particular file. The pointer is referred as a file pointer, and it is declared like file structure and star the pointer's name. Once the file structure and the file pointer variable has been declared, the next step is to open a file. Fopen function opens a string for use and links a file with the string. The function returns a file pointer described in the section file pointer name, file name, and with the file name mode. Next is to read or write the content, and then fclose function is used to close the file. The basic file operations are fopen, fclose, fread, fwrite, fseek, ftell. Fopen is used to open a file. It specifies how it is open, whether in read mode, whether in write mode, whether in append mode, and the type of the file, whether we are going to open file in binary form or in text form. Next is to close and open file, we used fclose function, and fread function is used to read the contents from a file. Fwrite function is used to write the content on a file. Fseek function moves the file pointer to somewhere in the file where we want to put the position, where we want to set the position of a file pointer. We used fseek, and ftell function tells you to where the file pointer is located currently. So these are the basic function and these file operations. Here are the modes to open a file: R mode, W mode, A mode. To open a file in read mode, if the file exists, the marker will be positioned at the beginning of the file. But if file does not existed, it will show the error. So in the read mode, if we are going to open a file with the read mode, the file must be exist, and it will read the content from the beginning. W mode open the text file in write mode. One can write on the file. If the file already exists, it erased. So it will start from the beginning. If file does not exist, it create the new file. So this is the difference between R and W. R mode is used to read the content from a file. If a file does not exist, it will show the error. But in the W mode, it is used to write on the file from the beginning. If the file already exists, it will overwrite the file, and if the file is not exist, it will create the new file. A mode, open text file in append mode. So if the file already exists, the marker will be positioned at the end and start from the where the lines are when the content is finished. So it will append the new content in the existing content. If file does not exist, it is create. So this is the difference between W and A mode, is that in the W mode, if the file exists, it will overwrite the file and the previous content will be lost. But in the append mode, previous content will not lost, it append from the end of the cursor. So the previous content will be present in the file. So these are the pictorial form. R mode open the existing file for reading, and W mode open new file for writing. A mode open existing file for writing or create new file. In the reading mode, file pointer marker will be positioned at the beginning of the file. In the W mode, file marker position at the beginning of file, but in the A mode, file marker position at the end of file. Additionally, we can use R plus mode, W plus mode, A plus mode. R plus mode open for reading and writing, start at beginning. W plus mode open for reading and writing and overwrite the file. A plus mode open for reading and writing and append if the file exists. File open. We can open the file with the F open. It makes the connection between the physical file and the stream. So it creates a program file structures to store the information C needs to process the file. The syntax is that here we have a file pointer equal to F open. In the F open, we will describe the file name and the mode which we want to open in the read mode or W mode or append mode, etc. The file mode tells C how the program will use the file, and we assign the return value of F open to our pointer value. Here SP data is my pointer equal to F open double quotes myfile.txt is the file name and W is the mode in which I want to write the file. SP data next type is SP data equal to F open. Here I will set the path where my file is present, and that is the next. In the next is W mode. Here is the example of opening a file. Hash include stdio.h int main void using file pointer file structure SP data equal to F open mentioning the file name mydata.dat and W is the mode. Closing a file. To close a file, we use fclose function. In the fclose, we put the pointer variable name, that is SP data. Here is a basic example of reading and writing from the files. First, I have declared file structure out file in file, declaring the variable b equal to 5 and declaring the variable f of integer type. Declaring the variable a, assigning the value to a to 13.72 and c equal to 6.68 and declaring the variable eg. Then out file is a file pointer used for opening a file. F open, test data is my file name, W is write mode. F printf used to print the value of A, B, C in the file. File pointer is FP. Here it percentage F, percentage D, percentage F are the format specifier. After writing on the file, we use F close, specify the file pointer in the enclosed brackets. Then for reading the file, I have used in file, that is also a file pointer, and opening the file using fopen test data in the readable mode. Scanning the value using the pointer in file format specifier FDF, which I have defined format specifier, and scanning the value in EFG from the file, and then printing the value of A, B, C and EFG. So first in this program here I have first write the contents on the file and then read that contents from a file. There is another example. Hash include stdio.h, conio.h, void main. I have declared a character variable ch using file pointer star fp, fp equal to fopen using the file name out.txt, and the readable mode I have using the while loop here, while brackets not equal to feop is the end of the file, mentioning the file pointer. If the end of the file is not, then ch equal to get c fp. The get c function is used to read the content from, read the character, not a content, read the character from a file pointer. So it will read the content and put in ch, then using the printf statement, it will print on the user screen. The while loop will be executed till the file is not go to the end of the file, till the file pointer marker is not go to the end of the file. When the end of file will be made, the program will be executed to catch. So it will show the content of a file. Here I'll show you the example of this program. Here I am including stdio.h, then including the file conio.h with the void starting from the main, using the file pointer, file structure, P, here I'll mention the file name. I have created one file, file1.txt. By default it will check the file from the bin folder. I am opening it in the readable mode, then using the while, file not equal to fe of p, then here I have need to use a character variable c. So it will read the content from a file using get c, using the pointer variable, percentage z is the format specifier, I am using clear screen. It's reading from the file and printing hello world. Now I'll check in the file txt whether it is written the hello word in the file. The file is in tc folder. File name is file1.txt, that is hello world. If I write here, in this file, now it will print hello world, how are you. So basically this function is reading the content from a file character wise. So file1.txt is the file name which is placed in the bin folder, and R is the mode that I opened the file in a readable mode. While condition, here I am using while loop. While the end of the file is not, it will read the character get using getC. P is the pointer of a file from the file pointer and return it in C character variable. Then printing the values of C. So the loop will be execute again and again till the end of condition is not met. So after the end of the position, it goes to the mid, it go to the catch like this. So this is the basic program of file pointer to read the content from a file. Similarly, we can write the content on a file also. I'll show you another example. So this is the basic program that will write the content onto a file. So in this I have used include stdio.h, include conio.h, void main using for declaring the file pointer *fp, declaring a character variable char a, clear screen for clearing the screen, assigning the value to a file pointer fp equal to fopen, open the file1.txt in the writable mode. Then showing the message, enter the number of characters, and using the while loop we were putting the value which the user is going to enter in the file with fputc. A equal to get char, it will execute when the end of the file is not met. E of s is end of file, it will write the content, assign the character to A and write the content on fp pointer user fputc, and then close the file fp. So now I am going to execute this program. It's showing me the message, enter the number of characters. I write hello there, we are learning about file handling. After this message, I am saving the content with the Ctrl Z, then enter. Now this content will be write on the file1.txt. So let's check whether it will write or not. Here is my file1.txt. This is the file. So it's write the message, hello there, we are learning about file handling. Similarly, if I execute again, because it is in the writable mode, the content will be overwrite. So I'll execute again and writing the message, welcome to VLearn live class. The old content will be overwrite, saving the message with the Ctrl Z, then enter. Now I will check the content in the file. The file will be overwrite, and now it displaying the message welcome to VLearn live class, which I have written on the screen. So using this we can write on the file also. We can store our content on the file like this. So this is the basic example. Next is file read. File read. For fread function reads a specified number of equal size data items from an input stream into a block. For this we need to pass the parameters are like this. PTR is a point to a block into which data is read, in which we want to read the data. We are defined in PTR variable. Size defines the length of each item read in bytes. The items that are going to read, we define the length of this item. N is the number of items to be read. Stream is the file pointer. Here is the example of fread. I am using hash include stdio.h int main using the file pointer f, declaring a character array buffer and defining the size 11. If checking the condition, if f equal to f open fread.txt in the readable mode, if the condition is true, then it read the content in the buffer. Fread f buffer 1 is the number of bytes, 10 is the number of items, f is the file pointer. When buffer equal define a 10 double equal to 0, then close the file. So if the condition, if the file will be met, if the file is open, then it will read the buffer 10 items in the buffer, and then setting the value of buffer 10 equal to 0. Then to print the value which we are read in the buffer, that is first 10 characters of file are stored in the buffer, then it will print the array value, that is buffer. So using fread we can read the specified content from a file. Here I have read first 10 characters from a file in buffer array. Fwrite appends a specified number of equal size data items to the output file. Similarly, in fwrite function we need to passing the parameters are ptr points to any object, the data written begins at a ptr. Size is the length of each item, n is the number of items that are to be appended, and stream is the file pointer. Here is an example of fwrite. I have declared the character array and initializing the value of character array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a. Then declaring the file structure and file pointer star fs, opening the file project.txt in the writable mode. Fwrite, using the fwrite function we are writing a buffer a. Each items will be of 1 byte. The number of items are 10. F is the file pointer. F close. So it will write the content in project.txt. So we can use this function also. I can show you the example of this also. Herein I have declared two files and defining the file pointer fp, then defining a array a of 10 and writing the value like this. Putting the hello in file in the character array, sorry. Then using the file pointer fp equal to f open, writing the file name file1.txt in the writable mode. And using the fwrite function, specifying the array from which the contents to be write on the file, the number of items to be read in 1 byte, then the number of items is 5, then file pointer is fp, and then close the file with fclose function fp, and then close the braces. Now compile this program and then run. So now I'll check the content of a file, that is in tc. It's displaying the message hello. So it's write the content hello. Similarly, if I want to write on this hello, we learned about f, right? So we need to declare the size of array. Here I have declared 35, and then this is the number of items. Here I have mentioned the items fp, that is the items will be 35. Then run the program. Now I'll check the content in the file. So it's displaying hello, we learned about f, so using the ref function we can write the content like this also. So next is fseek. This function sets the file position indicator for the stream pointer to a stream, or you can say it seeks a specified place within a file and modified it. So if we want to seek the file pointer in the file and set the file pointer in the specified position to modify the content of a file, we use fseek function. Seek set seeks from the beginning of the file, seek CUR seeks from the current position of the pointer, and seek underscore end seeks from the end of the file. So this is the example, hash include stdio.h void main, int main, file pointer using file pointer star f equal to f opening the file myfile.txt in the writable mode. Fput function is used to put the content or a string onto the file. Here I have mentioned hello world in the file pointer f. It will seek the position of a cursor, fseek, and set the position. Fseek, f is the file pointer, 6 equal to at 6th position. Seek set will set the position of a cursor on a 6th position. Then f puts India in f. First in the file it will put hello world, then in the 6th position of the file it will put India. So then f close function, so it will print now hello India world. So after the 5th position, after the 6th position, or when the hello will be end at the 6th position after 5 characters, it will print India. Then the content will be append like this. So seek set is used to set the position of a pointer in the file, that is used to modify the content of a file. This is the another example of this, of file. Not a seek position is the file. We can check whether the file exists or not like this. If we can assign the pointer to a null also. If fp double equal to null, if the file is not exist, it will not show the error, it just print the message the file does not exist. Please check it out. So if fopen function returning the null to a fp pointer, we can check like this. If fp double equal to null, then we can print the file is not exist, otherwise we can do the operations on a file. So these are the examples. You can read it out. Here is the other example, void main file pointer storing declaring the character array that is str100 using fpr for opening a file filer.txt, so that opening the file in a readable mode. If fpr double equal to null, puts the message issue in opening a file. Otherwise, using the while loop, f gets str10 fpr double equal to null break, else print str. It's used to read the 10 characters of the file, and after 10 characters it's go to the else statement and print the string, the content of a file in a character array, then print the character array and then close the file using fpr. Stream versus record. Stream is a file interpreted as a stream of bytes, and record set is a interpreted set of records and structures. So this is about my side from this session about files. So in this session we have learned about how we can read the content of a file, how we can write the content on a file. So these are the various ways how we can set the position of a cursor in a file. So these are the different examples which we have discussed in this session. So thank you about